Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something simple, yet incredibly powerful. Something that quietly shapes the lives of successful people, strong leaders, and individuals who achieve extraordinary things. That thing is daily discipline. Many people believe success comes from motivation, talent, or sudden inspiration. They imagine that successful people wake up every day feeling excited, energized, and ready to conquer the world. But the truth is very different. Motivation is temporary. Inspiration comes and goes. Even talent has its limits. What truly separates people who achieve their goals from those who struggle is something much more consistent and reliable: daily discipline. Daily discipline is not glamorous. It is not exciting in the beginning. It does not always feel good. In fact, many disciplined actions feel uncomfortable at first. Waking up early when you would rather stay in bed. Working on your goals when distractions are everywhere. Choosing healthy habits instead of easy pleasures. These actions may seem small, but over time they create powerful results. Daily discipline is not about making one big decision that changes your life overnight. It is about making small, consistent choices every single day. One of the biggest misunderstandings people have about success is the belief that big results require big actions. They believe they need a perfect plan, perfect timing, or a huge opportunity. But in reality, life changes through small actions repeated consistently. Think about a tiny drop of water falling on a rock. One drop does nothing. But thousands of drops over time can slowly shape the rock itself. Discipline works in the same way. A small effort repeated daily becomes a powerful force that shapes your future. When you practice daily discipline, something interesting begins to happen inside your mind. At first, discipline feels difficult because your mind naturally prefers comfort and immediate pleasure. It wants the easy path. But when you repeatedly choose disciplined actions, your mind slowly adapts. What once felt difficult begins to feel normal. Habits begin to form. The effort that once required strong willpower becomes automatic. This is one of the greatest benefits of discipline. It transforms difficult actions into natural routines. Another important truth about discipline is that it creates freedom, not restriction. Many people believe discipline limits their life. They think discipline means saying no to fun, pleasure, and relaxation. But the opposite is actually true. Without discipline, life becomes chaotic and stressful. Goals remain unfinished. Responsibilities pile up. Opportunities are missed. Discipline brings order to your life. It gives you control over your time, your energy, and your choices. And when you have that control, you experience a deeper kind of freedom. Consider someone who wants to become physically healthy. If they rely only on motivation, they may exercise for a few days or weeks before giving up. But a disciplined person shows up even when they feel tired or unmotivated. They understand that progress does not come from occasional effort but from consistent action. Over time, their body becomes stronger, their energy increases, and their confidence grows. What once felt difficult becomes part of their daily life. Discipline quietly transforms their health and well-being. The same principle applies to every area of life. Students who study a little every day build deep knowledge and confidence. Writers who write a few pages daily eventually complete entire books. Entrepreneurs who work steadily on their ideas gradually build successful businesses. These achievements may look impressive from the outside, but behind them are countless ordinary days of disciplined effort. Success is rarely the result of one dramatic moment. It is usually the result of thousands of disciplined actions performed quietly over time. Daily discipline also strengthens your character. Each time you choose discipline over distraction, you are teaching yourself an important lesson, that you are capable of controlling your actions. This builds self-respect. It builds trust within yourself. When you consistently keep the promises you make to yourself, your confidence grows naturally. You begin to believe in your ability to achieve difficult goals because you have proven to yourself that you can follow through. On the other hand, when discipline is missing, life often feels unstable. People start many things but finish very few. They feel excited about new goals but quickly lose focus. Over time, this creates frustration and disappointment. They may begin to doubt their abilities, even though the real problem is not lack of talent but lack of consistent effort. Discipline provides the stability needed to move steadily toward meaningful achievements. Another powerful aspect of daily discipline is its ability to reduce stress and overwhelm. Many people feel overwhelmed because they try to solve everything at once. They wait until problems become urgent before taking action. But disciplined individuals approach life differently. They handle small responsibilities each day before they grow into bigger problems. They plan their time, focus on priorities, and make steady progress. This approach creates a sense of calm and control that reduces unnecessary stress. Daily discipline also teaches patience. In today's fast-paced world, many people expect quick results. They want instant success, instant improvement, and instant rewards. But meaningful growth rarely happens quickly. Skills take time to develop. Goals require consistent effort. Discipline helps you stay committed during the slow stages of progress. It reminds you that even when results are not immediately visible, your efforts are still shaping your future. There will always be days when discipline feels especially difficult. You may feel tired, discouraged, or distracted. On those days, it is easy to believe that missing one day does not matter. But discipline teaches you to show up anyway. Not because you feel motivated, but because you understand the importance of consistency. Even small actions performed during difficult days maintain the momentum that keeps you moving forward. One helpful way to build discipline is to focus on systems rather than outcomes. Instead of obsessing over distant goals, disciplined people focus on the daily actions that lead to those goals. A writer focuses on writing every day, not just finishing a book. A runner focuses on daily training, not just winning a race. By focusing on the process, you reduce pressure and create habits that naturally lead to results over time. Environment also plays an important role in discipline. Your surroundings influence your behavior more than you might realize. If your environment is filled with distractions, maintaining discipline becomes harder. But when you design your environment to support your goals, disciplined actions become easier. For example, keeping healthy food available encourages better eating habits. Creating a quiet workspace improves focus. Small adjustments to your environment can make disciplined behavior much more natural. Another key element of discipline is learning to delay gratification. Human beings naturally prefer immediate rewards. It feels good to relax, scroll through social media, or avoid difficult tasks. But discipline means choosing long-term benefits over short-term comfort. It means understanding that today's effort creates tomorrow's opportunities. Each time you choose delayed gratification, you strengthen your ability to pursue meaningful goals. Discipline also brings clarity to your life. When you commit to daily habits and responsibilities, your priorities become clearer. You spend less time wondering what to do and more time taking action. Your days become more structured and purposeful. Instead of reacting to circumstances, you begin actively shaping your life according to your values and goals. It is important to remember that discipline does not require perfection. No one follows their routine flawlessly every single day. There will be mistakes, missed days, and unexpected challenges. What matters is not perfection but persistence. Disciplined people understand that progress comes from returning to their habits even after setbacks. They forgive themselves for mistakes but remain committed to their long-term direction. Another powerful effect of discipline is the confidence it builds. Confidence is often misunderstood as something people either have or do not have. In reality, confidence grows from repeated evidence of your own reliability. Each time you wake up and follow through on your plans, you prove to yourself that you are dependable. This inner trust gradually strengthens your belief in your abilities. Daily discipline also protects your future. Life is full of unpredictable challenges. Economic changes, personal difficulties, and unexpected obstacles can appear at any time. Discipline prepares you for these moments. When you have built strong habits of work, learning, and resilience, you are better equipped to adapt and overcome challenges. Discipline acts like a foundation that supports you during difficult times. Over the course of months and years, the impact of daily discipline becomes remarkable. Small actions accumulate into meaningful progress. Skills improve. Opportunities appear. Confidence grows. What once seemed impossible slowly becomes achievable. People looking from the outside may describe this progress as luck or talent, but the real explanation is consistent effort applied over a long period of time. The beauty of discipline is that it is available to everyone. You do not need special talent to practice discipline. You do not need perfect circumstances. All you need is the willingness to take small actions consistently. Anyone can begin improving their life by committing to disciplined habits each day. The results may not appear immediately, but over time they become undeniable. In the end, daily discipline is not just a strategy for achieving goals. It is a way of living with intention and responsibility. It means choosing actions that support your future instead of simply reacting to the present moment. It means developing the strength to follow through on your commitments, even when it would be easier to give up. Your life is shaped not by occasional bursts of effort, but by the habits you repeat every day. Each day offers a new opportunity to practice discipline. Each small decision moves you either closer to your goals or further away from them. When you choose discipline consistently, you begin building a life defined by progress, stability, and purpose. Remember, the power of daily discipline lies in its quiet consistency. It does not require dramatic effort or sudden change. It simply asks you to show up each day and take one step forward. Over time, those steps create a path that leads to growth, achievement, and a deeply meaningful life. Another important truth about daily discipline is that it slowly changes the way you see yourself. In the beginning, you may start practicing discipline simply because you want to achieve a goal. Maybe you want better health, financial stability, stronger skills, or a more organized life. But as days turn into weeks and weeks turn into months, something deeper begins to happen. You begin to see yourself as a disciplined person. Your identity starts to change. Instead of saying, I am someone who tries, you begin saying, I am someone who follows through. This shift in identity is powerful because once you believe that discipline is part of who you are, your actions naturally align with that belief. Daily discipline also teaches you the value of consistency over intensity. Many people start new habits with extreme enthusiasm. They work very hard for a short period of time, pushing themselves beyond their limits. But because their effort is too intense, they quickly become exhausted and stop completely. Discipline encourages a different approach. Instead of doing everything at once, disciplined people focus on doing a little every day. Their effort may seem small at first, but it is sustainable. And because it is sustainable, it continues for months and years. Over time, that steady effort becomes far more powerful than occasional bursts of motivation. As you continue practicing discipline, you will notice another change. Your relationship with time becomes different. Instead of rushing through life or constantly feeling behind, you begin to understand that meaningful progress takes time. You stop chasing quick results and start focusing on long-term growth. This mindset brings a sense of calm and patience that many people never experience. In the end, the power of daily discipline is not only about achieving success. It is about becoming the kind of person who grows stronger, wiser, and more capable each day. When discipline becomes part of your life, progress becomes inevitable. And slowly, quietly, the life you once imagined begins to become the life you are living. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.